Hey my YouTube fam, let's make blueberry cottage cheese ice cream, which is the best summer dessert ever. This has 396 calories per serving with 20 grams of protein, 57 grams of carbs and 11 grams of fat. So without any delay, let's get the recipe started. So the first ingredient is cottage cheese. This is full fat cottage cheese because the best ice creams are always full in fat. Next for sweetness I'm using honey. You can use maple syrup or agave as well. Next I'm using sweetened condensed milk. And finally just 1 tablespoon of heavy cream for a thick ice cream like texture. I'll add fresh blueberries to this. You can replace with dried or frozen blueberries as well. So I'll simply blend it all using a high-speed blender. And look how amazing my cottage cheese ice cream mixture is ready. You can serve this as is if you want a soft serve of cottage cheese ice cream. However, I'll freeze this for 5 to 6 hours. And see, my blueberry cottage cheese ice cream is ready. This is a healthy keto blueberry ice cream recipe which is high in protein and fat, and you would love to indulge this as a quick summertime dessert. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, post it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.